What's up, everybody? See, a lot of people want to kind of get really good at reading charts, so I figured I'd do a video real quick. Kind of show you like some of the things that I did to like really get good at reading charts. So TradingView is my baby. I love TradingView. Um, what you could do is this little thing right here is called a bar replay. If some of y'all probably heard me say it before. So what I do is I will go all the way back, and then I'll hit the bar replay to be like from here or something, right? And then I'll play it to see what I'll do. So like right here, I'll start looking at it, like see what I'll do. We'll slow down the speed a little bit. You zoom in. Sometimes I really don't even use the bands honestly that much. Um, but like the bands is really helpful. So like for here, the way I kind of learn charts, support and resistance and looking for like institutional algorithm trading. Chart, I see like a support is here, support is here. You have a high very resistance here. Let me zoom in. So this looks like right here is gonna make it moving sideways. It's kind of like on a, so you see this, so it's on the downtrend. So this is called like a mark down, right? So it's marking down. I think it's about to get ready for accumulation. So this looks like a little bit of a preliminary support. So when we get here, we might see catch reversal, right? So looking here, we in the support. Right here, we just made a higher low. So let's see what keeps going on. And you just do this, like, I mean, this is what really helps you get good at reading charts, personally, in my opinion. Just go back and see what price do. And then the more you get intimate with this company and how a price move, the better you start realizing like, oh shit, oh shoot, I see that Apple does this at a certain point in time. So I know I can get in here, you know. So it's starting to accumulate, see higher lows, lower highs, higher lows. Oh, I keep getting the word backward. But yeah. So you see it accumulated. So I would get, so like this would be a perfect entry to me in this point. Because I would, in my opinion, I consider this like one of those bear traps. So it's gonna go kind of dip low and then probably start going back up. Yeah. You just do this. You just slow down the speed if you need to, slow it down even more. Start, and if you want, you start doing some little chart. So it's in this trading range. If you want, the same thing like support on the daily. What I like to do sometimes, I'll like flip in and out because I want like the weekly to be in there. So then I know now like the weekly support resistance is over here. And it looks like the support in the daily isn't that far off from the weekly to support in the weekly as well. So this is a really good point. So maybe we trying to get accumulating to get back and get accumulating and get those orders, those buy orders to break this resistance. So we go back to the daily though. Let's see how it plays out. This is too slow now. Hold up. Just to make sure. So this was here where I said I would enter, right? Broke that Bollinger Band, and it starts, because because I think it's getting ready to like really break out. Probably hits resistance to come back. Well, actually, I don't know. It might break this one because this is the third one. One, two, three. Typically, I like to say after three times, I think that's when price breaks through. Oh, nope. Or not. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. So I ain't even using this. This is just in the way. Sorry. Oh, so now what's resistance might be support. Let's see. So I know y'all heard. So these is like these long candles. Bam, they buying, right? When it's a fast move like that, dropping back down. But see, this is kind of like the new support level now. We got some gaps. Just make it a game, make it fun. I mean, honestly, you really kind of got to sit down and just keep doing this. Tally how many times you was wrong, tally how many times you was correct, take notes. And I think I know some people kind of asked about puts. So I don't really like that as for a put. Let's see, continue a little bit more. Uh, oh shit. Yeah. No, I still wouldn't have got into this. No, I wouldn't have got into this. So remind, this is a 20 moving average in a sense, right? So it was above the trading range, above the 20 MA, below the 20 MA. So some people tend to like to think of price when it's around the MA. So many different strategies I've learned. Um, that when the MA is kind of like your signal in a sense too. So like if you so similar to like the actually let me not even talk about this. It's another technical indicator called the Ichimoku cloud. So and you kind of use that moving average as a kind of like your signal to get in. know what I'm noticing some here now. Apple kind of has a. So remember, I was saying something about you can. Make this like a resistance, so support resistance for RSI. So if you see here, this is like the support level, right? It's looking here, and the top here is like your resistance level. So as we see here, when price keep coming to here, it kind of is dropping. So that's kind of like your indicator. It's like not everybody respects the 70 and 30 rule. So you gotta kind of that's why you gotta kind of get intimate with the stock. You gotta like really marry it and know how it reacts when price gets to a certain level. Because as we see here, Apple will drop and not even be overboard in the overbought area. So as we see here, it drops places. So in my opinion, this one might drop. This should drop, but this is still light green. So let's give it some time, even though it's at the Bollinger Band. So on the weekly, you see here. So if this gets a little, if this will come a little higher, that would be where I would probably enter a put. If this is out the band, this enters this area, breaks the support level, and well, this is a different indicator y'all might not be aware of, but um, starts to like it's getting kind of flat, so it's potential for it to like drop now too. And the MACD, uh, yeah, the MACD is curling up. It's really close to each other. Let's see. You gotta have rules for whatever you want to do. So if it doesn't meet all your rules, don't get into it. Uh, 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 uh. Let me stop. I don't want this to be long. Like I end up forgetting that I'm even recording.